What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing a couple of things. I'm gonna mount my intercooler because I want to weld it up, or bolt/weld it up, and get that ran. I'm not gonna go turbo for a little bit, but it's something that I want to do. It's a little project since I'm learning how to weld. So I'd figure, show you guys that process. Show you guys a little time lapse and check up with you guys in a minute. Alright, guys, so got the first welds on. Do not complain about my welds. It's just to hold it up there, and then I'll clean them up, but looks pretty good. Alright, guys, so got it done. Well, not done, but it's welded up. It's on its own. That's just jacking up the car. It's on its own weight. Show you the great welds here. Those are pretty crappy. There's just on one side, on that side. But yeah, those are definitely not good welds. But through time, I will get better. But it's centered from this side to this side. Level, I don't know. From the eye, it looks pretty dead on. But yeah, we'll finish it up and fully bolt it in, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, guys, welcome back. So got it done. Pretty good. The bumper doesn't fit, so I'm going to cut here, and then I'm going to cut about here. I'm probably just going to go all the way to the edge and then just cut this little grill off type of thing. That way I know for sure it'll fit and it has a bunch of room. But yeah, I'll show you with front bumper on. Alright, guys, so got it done. Forgot to do an outro here, but here you go. So it's all in. As you can tell, I got the intake side. The hot side is not done because obviously I don't have a turbo, and then I just have to
I'm gonna get like little quick disconnects for this here. Just gotta put the grill back on, and it's set. I'll still have to trim some right here because I'm not gonna be able to put the pipe on if that's the case. But this side's good. This side has room. I just need to move this down, so it has a little bit of room there. Probably have to trim it a little bit so it doesn't rub through whenever I run the turbo. But yeah, if you guys like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.